Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, I know, another video within a month, which is just record breaking for me, but it is a new year, so new year, new me, and all that box. This 2018 year, I'm hoping to get a little bit more content out there. Today, I'm going up to Orlando Executive. I'm going to fly November 8203 Delta with Gareth from Flying Florida, and his dad Rog, and his son Tyler. Yeah, no, Christ, this thing's heavy, man. I'm upside down now, aren't I? Anyway, so we're gonna go up there and do a bit of filming, head down to Venice for a little bit, do a little bit more filming, and then head on back, and we'll see how it goes. So I will see you guys at the airport. Weird without this.
Exec Tower, Cherokee 8203 Delta is ready to go, runway 25 across the spoke.
Cherokee 8203 Delta, land at Exeter Tower. Stand by, traffic lander, runway 25.
Stand by, 8203 Delta.
Right turn 18, 78, clean up, thank you.
Have you got traffic on final?
Yeah, he's turning final now.
Oh, good God.
Yeah. He's not even, yeah, there he is.
Yeah, he's just turning on out.
Oh, it's 734 Juliet Kilo! It's my plane! It was my plane. It's not my plane.
No.
It was a plane I flew.
The black lettering doesn't stand out too well on that blue, does it?
It used to be red.
03 Delta, runway 25 at altitude, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 03 Delta.
November 03 Delta, westbound departure approved, runway 25 at altitude, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 03 Delta. Oh, I've got to wait in the back today.
I know, that goes slow as hell.
Probably didn't need all that aft trim actually, I'm feeling it, but airspeed's alive anyway, so T's and P's are in the green. 60 knots, 65, 70 knots, up we go.
Behind
Do you
a
know what's
sky
ironic?
lane at
What? Last time they,
2 miles,
last time we went flying, and you were like,
one Charlie Romeo.
well, I wouldn't want to perform an operation in it.
You got the hand gestures and everything.
I just think it's ironic because we're going to be performing an operation.
Yeah.
Is that why you done it? Make it full circle. That's why you done it, wasn't it?
Obviously, yeah.
You're very smart.
Yeah.
We'll have to link it back. Now what we can do is link to that video.
Yeah.
Like click here. Click there.
They're normally from the left, so click
November
here.
03 Delta,
Just
remain
above his
outside
head.
of class proper position.
Well, yeah, Roger's pointing as well.
No, I'm listening to the guy, get me quiet.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The worst time he's picking up.
Anyway, he's gone now. He doesn't want us back, but he's gone.
That's going to be interesting when that little card comes across. In that video there, yeah, where Roger's pointing. Oh.
It couldn't have been worse timing. Does it look silly the way my sunglasses are?
Why, are you trying to mimic
Dixon?
Do you have your glasses above your actual ear?
Because it hurts if I put it in there. No, I want to do it as well. It's just actually, it does hurt. Welcome to the sky. We're laughing with you, mate. We're laughing with you. It is more comfortable. Have you seen the video with the song where they turn? What are you doing? Bifocals. Fuck. Should we try to?
Yeah.
Shall we?
Yeah.
All right.
I was going to say I'm getting a bit bored anyway because there's no entertainment on this flight.
Oh,
so
there's going to be
let's
entertainment
bring
now.
out some of the travel games we've got.
Okay, welcome to the channels.
I've already put all the bones in.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
But where did you put the? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
So,
you got to. Oh, the thing is, underneath here, there's some
instructions. Oh, we'll have to take them out, mix them up, then you pull from it, I guess.
I think. Oh, I'll just put that down for a minute. Then.
Well, I mean, you're welcome to help out. Watch where you're poking.
Brooksville Tower, 03 Delta's 2 mile left base for 21.
From the 03 Delta, Brooksville Tower, roger, runway 21, clear to land, wind 170 at 9er.
Clear to land, 03 Delta. Where's the card for that?
In my hand, probably.
Very nice.
Very nice indeed.
Thank you.
See if we can make this one and then see what they say.
Cherry 202 Delta, turn left next taxiway, that's Bravo 3.
Next left onto Bravo 3, 03 Delta, thanks.
I like the runways here because they're concrete.
They are. So I'm thinking, because we're at Brooksville now, we're going to stop recording, so I'm going to do one of those Dixon style, put the hand on the camera and cut to later.
Yeah.
Really? No, but I could be cool like Dixon.
You could, well.
Where are we?
Brooksville.
I thought we were going to Venice.
We are. I wasn't flying, so I was just a passenger in the back, having a lovely time, playing Operation
Brooksville.
The man told
Yeah.
Okay.
London 783 02 Delta, Brooksville Tower, runway 21, proceed of course, clear takeoff.
Sharkys, and yeah, wish us luck. I just like the look of your face, okay? I want it on my phone.
In that case, I'll see you tonight.